Hey YouTube, you know we started this channel as a how-to for current and future empty nesters. You can click the top corner to see our past content and possibly subscribe. This Thanksgiving, we heard about a little town 600 miles away that through volunteer effort and generous time created something glorious. Believe me, you don't want to miss this video. Let's roll. No. This isn't good. What do we got? A fashion tutorial video? She's got a spritzer and a pick. Here we go. Welcome to Thanksgiving.
Pull over here now for fashion tutorial video.
No. I want the car! Sorry, sir. I can't do that.
Look up. Go ahead. Look up. You see the drone? No? It's okay, because the drone sees you. We see your face. We know who you are. Anything happens to me, you and your whole family will be in a YouTube fashion tutorial video.
I am right to decide the future of this YouTube channel.
Talking to the wrong guy.
Leave here while you still can.
Right. We got to do that again.
How's the frame?
Throw them in there and like move them all willy-nilly and then wonder why the dinner isn't any good.
Was that good?
Please and thank you.